Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to find saved videos on YouTube. So let's begin our video. First of all, open your YouTube app and then here you can see I just opened a video and I want to save this video. That's why I just select three dot, then select save, and right now select change, and here you can see this video already saved on watch later. Here you can see watch later, and if you just want to change the playlist, just select add playlist, but I don't want. And right now I'm just going to how can I find it. Just go back, select your profile, and then select playlist. Here you can see, just tap over it, and here you can find the all playlist, and this is the watch later, and here this video I already saved. So guys, in this way you can find out saved videos on YouTube very easily. Thank you everyone for watching.